This question was asked to me in my comment section. The question is, a particle starts from rest and moves along a straight line, covers distance s with constant acceleration, then covers distance 2s with constant speed, then covers distance 3s with uniform retardation, and finally comes to rest. Find out the ratio of average velocity and maximum velocity. Let's do the answer. As the particle starts from rest, it means the initial velocity of the particle is 0 meter per second, and it covers maximum velocity. It means v is equal to v max, and it travels with constant acceleration. So we must find the average velocity, which is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by 2 is equal to v max by 2. Then we must find the time taken to cover the distance, which is equal to t is equal to distance covered by average velocity, which is equal to s by v max by 2 is equal to 2s by again v max. It travels 2s distance with constant speed. It means second conditionally its initial velocity is equal to v max and distance covered is equal to 2s. As it covered with uniform speed, then the t2 is equal to distance covered by velocity is
Again,
equal to
it covers
2s by
3s
v max
distance
with constant retardation. It means the initial velocity of it is v max and final velocity is 0 meter per second as it comes to rest. So we must find v average, which is equal to 0 minus v max by 2 is equal to v max by 2. If we ignore
Then
the
it
minus
cover the
mark,
distance
as we know
is equal
that
to
it is
3s.
retardation. The time taken to cover the third distance is equal to distance by average velocity, which is equal to 3s by v max by 2 is equal to 6s by v max. The total distance covered by the particle is equal to s plus 2s plus 3s is equal to 6s meter. Then the total time taken to cover the 3 distance is equal to 2s by v max plus 2s by v max plus 6x by v max is equal to 10s by v max. Then the overall average velocity which we needed is equal to delta s by delta t, means total distance covered by total time taken is equal to 6s
Then our
by
question is
10s
find
by
out the
v
ratio
max,
of average velocity
which is
and
equal
maximum
to
velocity, which
3
is
v max
equal to
by 5.
average velocity as we found is equal to
Then
3 v max
as
by
we
5.
all know
By
that
maximum
the
velocity
maximum
we taken
velocity
is equal
it
to v
reaches
max
is equal to v max
3 v
as
max
per
by
we
5
taken
v max
is equal to 3 by 5, which is equal to 3 is to 5,
which is our real answer. So subscribe this channel to get new tricks.